Nick here, doing a review for Essential RC on the brand new FMS FCX18 version 2 in the new Ford F-100 livery, and it's a fully licensed body. You'll also notice I've got my son with me tonight.
Hello!
This is Toby. Toby's going to be doing all our test driving for us.
That's right.
And he's also going to be doing our unbox. So let's take a look, see what we've got in the box.
Let's see what's in this box.
Oh. So we've got a transmitter. That's just headed to the floor.
Yeah.
That's it.
Well,
Pop the box to one
you know
side.
me.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it comes with a surfboard. I didn't know that. And stickers. Oh my word. It's got a proper bed. It's like metallic-y, like sparkly red.
Yeah, really beautiful colour actually. If you look at it in the sunshine, you can just see it just sort of shimmers. It's a really, really nice colour. And they do, we should say, they do 3 different colours straight out the box, which are a blue and white one, and sort of like a turquoise green, and the red one that we've got here. And they also do 3 additional body shells that you can put on. And I've missed Toby's grand unveiling. Do you want to do that again for me, Toby?
Okay.
Show you just how easy that was. Have you got it the right way around?
No.
Nope. Perfect. So yeah, magnetised body. And when we lift the body off,
There's no wiring for the lights.
no, so the lights are all wired onto magnets. Show us that again, Toby. Just the magnet lights. There you go. And they just go straight onto these pins here. You can see how neat all the wiring is in the unit. It's really, really tidy.
Real mirrors,
Real mirrors
proper bed, and hard shell.
and a hard shell and a surfboard apparently.
Of course there's a surf.
What else did we get in the bags? Want to have a look?
Find out and see. Well, I have no idea what that says.
That'll be the charger for your LiPo. It does
That's
come with
like-
a 2S LiPo as well.
That's the instructions.
And the instruction manual, which you won't read.
Of course I won't. I can't read. And then that's the controller,
And the controller.
which obviously has FMS on it. FMS.
FMS on the top.
And then all the switches for the lights as well. So, there we go.
And a few stickers I think in the bag as well, so you can
Yep.
customise your truck. So what we'll do now is we'll get all the truck together and ready to go, and then we'll come back with a little bit of a technical overview, and then we'll go for some driving.
Bye!
Okay, so we're back, and my turn to do a little bit of talking. So I'm going to be doing a quick overview of just what you've got, like from a technical point of view. So first things first, we can see we've got a low centre of gravity chassis. And it looks to be a C-channel, probably a steel chassis on there. As Toby pointed out, we have the magnet system, which goes to the lights on the body. We can also see our surfboard now. Toby has stickered it up, ready to go, and it's put in the back of the bed. Obviously a full scale body and a hard body. So it's actually a hard ABS body. And as mentioned, there's 3 colours available straight out the box. And there's also 3 additional body shells that you can buy, and as Toby showed several times, you can just pop those on and off from the magnet system. Obviously you get your sort of micro transmitter as well. This looks to be a 4-channel transmitter. It's got all your controls on. You've got your trims on the top here and your sub trims. You also normally have a dual rate. Yep, you've got a dual rate on there as well. Your throttle reverse is on this side, your steering reverse on this side, and then your dip switch is in the middle, which is normally used for your drag brake. So that's so you can control how fast or slow the truck will actually descend on a hill. Back to the model, we can see it comes with a LiPo. You get a 7.4 volt, and that's a 900 milliamp LiPo. All-in-one ESC and receiver, I believe. And this is a brushed model, so it's a brushed motor in there as well. And I am seeing, which I've only just noticed, there is a servo there right in the centre. So it may possibly have a 2-speed gearbox, but Toby will find that out on his test drive. As you can see, really beautifully thought out. It's a very long wheelbase, which should make it really good for getting up and being stable on obstacles. But also it's all forward loaded bias. So you've got all the weight over that front axle, which really should help it when it's climbing. As I said, it is a licensed Ford F-100 body, and they look to be, they are all-terrain TA BF Goodrich tyres on there as well, and actually quite a nice sticky compound. So we'll pop a battery in it, and Toby will get a course set up, and we'll go for a little play. Back soon.
Perfect.
So Toby's off to set up the course. These are our cones, which we printed on our Bamboo Labs A2L. These are in 3 different colours, come off exactly like that. Really easy to model, literally just drawn up on Tinkercad, probably 5-10 minutes, and you're good to go. So a few hours to print. Toby's now got the perfect stuff he needs for a course. Off you go, Toby, get it set up. So here we go, first test drive. And the thing we've noticed straight out the box as well is if Toby gives it a little bit of throttle, you'll see it has counter-rotating drive shafts. So that basically completely stops any torque twist on the chassis when you're crawling. You've also got, up the front here, a 4-link suspension, which means we have the servo on axle. So it should have a nice strong servo as well. So really nice. Toby's going to show you a couple of the other overviews. I'm going to pop his surfboard back in the back and his cone back in the back, and he can show you some of the other features.
So it's got front lights, which if you press it once, front lights turn on. If you press it twice,
wow,
it's got top lights.
Look at that, and you can't even see any wiring in there. Look.
And if you will look at the back,
and rear lights as well.
If you look at the back, you will see when I turn, there are indicators.
And those are at the front as well, right?
Yep.
Give us another one for the front one. Look at that. What beautiful scale body that is. And then speed-wise, Toby,
Yeah.
we also found that which switch has on the transmitter. Can you show us the switch?
This one,
So
right above the light button.
So that's channel 3, and it has 2 modes, which will now be neatly demonstrated. I'll zoom out a bit for this.
So as you can see, I'm going to go right down there.
Okay.
And this is channel whatever.
Yeah.
Nice cooler. And then there's fast mode. Bring it back now.
Those lights are really bright. So let's do some proper crawling with it. So that was a review of the new FMS FCX18 version 2 with the Ford F-150 body shell. We've had great fun, haven't we, Tobes?
Yeah,
What was your favourite part of the truck?
the nice metallic-y, sparkly red.
Yeah,
And you can always get more
you can, yes.
bodies.
Yeah, and they just magnet on as well, don't they? So
Yep.
it's really quick to change them over.
And it's got real mirrors.
Real mirrors, yeah, yeah.
And it's got different modes,
Different modes.
like gears.
Yeah, so you've got a high-speed gear and a low-speed gear for
And
crawling.
when we found out when we were playing around with this thing,
Yeah.
it has free roll.
Yes.
So if you put it on a hill, it'll just roll down. With the switch, you can have fast, normal, and free roll.
Free roll is just to move channel 3 into the middle, and that just puts the gearbox into basically a free rolling state. So I think we thoroughly enjoyed that. It was great fun.
Yep.
If you want to get yours, there'll be a link in the description below or in the pinned comments. So that is a quick review on the FMS F100 fully licensed body from Ford.